Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add border with hover animation. Okay, so for this button you can see here, when we hover over, it's added a border, okay, outside of the button. Okay, so let me show you how we can add this button to our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so here I am on a blank page. Okay, so let me add the headline first. Okay, just for the demonstration, add me another section, and then inside that I will add a button. Okay, so in this button I'm going to apply this code snippet. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, we can add this code snippet by using the code option, like the HTML and JavaScript code option, as well as from the custom CSS option. Okay, so in this video I'm going to use this option, okay, the custom CSS. Okay, so the first of all, I will add a class of this button. Okay, so the class, you will get this class name right inside your GHL code snippet library here. Okay, so you will get the code as well as the class name here. Okay, so let me do this. Select the button and then go to the advanced tab, scroll a bit down, and then you will see the option to put your class name, custom class. Okay, so put the name and then just hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, so the class added, and now I'm going to add the code snippet. So we don't need any changes to the code snippet if we don't want to make the change color or anything else. Okay, so let me put the code. Here is the code, save it. Okay, let me we can also add the button color. Okay, so you can see here, let me preview it. Okay, so when we hover over on this button, it added the border. Okay, so let me publish it and then preview it again, so that you can see how it fully works. Okay, so let me save it, preview. Okay, so now you can see the border added. Okay, when I hover. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, as well as you can get this code snippet into our premium GHL code snippet library. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this. Have a nice day.